Will we be positive or negative from today's opening of Rise of the Floodborn, as this pack is worth $6 and we're going to see can we reach above or are we going to be below the $6 mark as we get to the first card. I'm Stuck, Go the Distance, Ratigan, Basil, Snow White, Benja, Queen of Hearts, The Prince, Pain, Kronk, Pack Tactics, and Li Shang. Well, it looks like we were negative today, so 2 thumbs down.